This video is about three forms of quadratic functions: factored form, standard form, vertex form. Let's label the x-intercepts and a vertex axis of symmetry y equals k. Intersect the quadratic function at x3 and x4. Then this h equals x1 plus x2 over 2. Also equals x3 plus x4 over 2. In other words, h is the middle point between x1 and x2, x3 and x4. Also, in the booklet, we know axis of symmetry, x equals negative b over 2a. So h equals negative b over 2a. And k equals f of h. Let's fill out the following table. Y equals 1/2 x minus 1 times x plus 5. We want to change this into standard form. We will use FOIL to work out x minus 1 times x plus 5. This 1/2 stays x squared plus 5x minus x minus 5. Combine like terms, 1/2 x squared plus 4x minus 5. Then we do distributive property equals 1/2 x squared plus 1/2 times 4 is 2x minus 5 over 2. We want to change this factored form into vertex form. We will set up this function equals 0. Then we have x minus 1 equals 0, or x plus 5 equals 0. So we get x1 equals 1 and x2 equals negative 5. H equals x1 plus x2 over 2 equals negative 2. K equals f of negative 2. We plug back to original function, 1/2 times negative 2 minus 1 times negative 2 plus 5 equals negative 9 over 2. Y equals A is 1/2. 1/2 times x minus negative 2, so it's plus 2 squared minus 9 over 2. We are given this standard form. We want to change it into factored form and vertex form. A equals negative 1, B equals 4, C equals 5. So H equals negative B over 2A equals negative 4 over 2 times negative 1 equals 2. Then K equals f of 2. Plug back to the original function, negative 2 squared plus 4 times 2 plus 5 equals negative 4 plus 13 equals 9. We are given h, we are given k, and also a. Then we plug into this form. We will get y equals negative x minus 2 squared plus 9. For the factored form, we will work out the roots. Set up negative x squared plus 4x plus 5 equals 0. Divided by negative 1 both sides. X squared minus 4x minus 5 equals 0. Factor x minus 5 times x plus 1 equals 0. So we have x1 equals 5, x2 equals negative 1. Y equals a is negative 1, so negative sign. X minus 5 times x plus 1, because x minus x2. That's why we got x plus 1. We are given this vertex form. We do know a plus b squared equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. X minus 3 squared equals x squared. Negative 3 times x times 2 is negative 6x. Negative 3 squared is 9. So we have y equals negative 1/2 x squared minus 6x plus 9 plus 8 equals negative 1/2 x squared. Negative 1/2 times negative 6 is 3x minus 9/2 plus 8. Then simplify negative 1/2 x squared plus 3x. Negative 9/2 plus 8 is a positive 7/2. For the factored form, first of all, we need to figure out the roots. So we set up the equation equals 0. We try to isolate x minus 3 squared. So minus 8 both sides. Negative 1/2 x minus 3 squared equals negative 8. Both sides we divided by negative 1. Then we times 2. We will get x minus 3 squared equals 16. Take a square root both sides. X minus 3 equals plus or minus. Square root of 16 is 4. We do know x squared equals a. Then x equals plus or minus square root of a. So x equals, cross the river, change sign, 3 plus or minus 4. x1 equals 3 plus 4 is 7. x2 equals 3 minus 4 equals negative 1. After we get the roots, we can write down the factored form. Y equals a is negative 1/2. Negative 1/2 x minus x1 minus 7 times x plus 1. We are given this standard form. We need to change this into vertex form. I will show you how to do this by graphing calculator and by hand. We are given a equals -2, b equals -6, c equals 5, h equals -b over 2a. Negative b is the opposite of b, positive 6 over 2 times -2, -3 over 2. K equals f of -3 over 2 equals -2 times -3 over 2 squared minus 6 times -3 over 2, then plus 5 equals 19 over 2. So we can write down y equals a is -2, x minus h is plus 3 over 2 squared, then plus 19 over 2. Or we can put this function into graphing calculator. We can go to graph, click on tab, put -2x squared minus 6x, then plus 5, enter. We cannot see the vertex on this window. We need to change the window. Click on menu, go to 4, enter. Minimum value, let's put -10. Maximum value, let's do 20. Auto is 2, enter. Then we go back to menu again. 6, analyze the graph. We are looking for maximum, so go to 3. -1.5, 9.5 is the vertex. By graphing, we figured out -1.5 and 9.5 is the vertex. We are given a equals -2. So we can write down the vertex form. -2 x plus 1.5 squared plus 9.5. We got the same answer.